My name is S. Jayesh. I am going to second to third. E for eagle.
Very good, Jayesh. Write பண்ணுங்க. Children, spell the right and right. Spell the letters. G after?
L-E.
What?
Eagle.
Yes.
My name is T. Dinesh. I am going to third to fourth.
Okay, என்ன write பண்ண போறீங்க தினேஷ்?
E for eagle.
Okay, right now. Spell the letters and write.
E.
E for?
Eagle.
Okay. E after?
A. G. L.
Okay, very good.
E.
Very good. Well done.
My name is V. Lakshana. I am going to third to fourth.
லக்ஷனா என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க? Okay, what? F for?
Fish.
Okay, you have to write now. Okay, wrote it up. Okay.
Yes. My name is Monisha. I'm going to 5th to 6th standard.
Okay, Monisha என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க?
F. F for fish.
Okay, right now. Write slowly. Okay, well done.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is D. Sri Tanishka. I'm going to 6th standard to 7th standard.
Okay, Tanishka என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க?
G for God.
Okay, right now. Spell and write.
G-O-D, God.
Okay, G for God. Okay, well done.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Puvita. I am going to 6th to 7th standard.
Okay, Tubita என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க?
G for God.
Okay, you have to spell and write. Spell and write.
G-O-D,
Okay.
God.
Finish. Okay, well done.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Lakshana. I am going 5th to 6th.
Dakshana என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க?
Home.
Okay, H for?
Home.
Okay, spell and write. Spell
H.
the letters. H.
O-M-E.
Okay.
My name is V. Tarun. I am going to 6th to 7th.
Okay, Tarun என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க Tarun?
Home.
H for?
Home.
Okay, spell and write Tarun. Spell and write.
H-O-M-E. Home.
Okay, very good. Well done.
Thank you, miss. My name is Lavulan. I am going to 1st to 2nd standard.
Okay, நகுல் என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறீங்க செல்லம்?
ABCD, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Write down. Right
Thank you,
now.
ma'am.
Slowly write ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
B.
Okay. C. Okay, very good. Very good செல்லம். Good boy. எங்க டியூஷன்ல ஒரு naughty boy and a cute boy.